Good morning. We are going over notes 2, which is solving equations with variables on both sides. So the first thing we're going to look at is, I'm sorry, you can't see this. There we go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is number 1. So we are going to want to combine like terms first. Okay, so my like terms in this situation are 4x and 3x. And then I also have negative 8 and 13. So with this, I'm going to combine my 4x and my 3x to get 7x, and I'm going to bring down my negative 8 and my 13. Then I'm going to look, and I want to get all of my variables on one side, so I'm going to add 8 to the other side. So I'm going to get 7x equals 21. I'm going to divide by 7 to get x is equal to 3. When I'm looking at number 2, if you notice the equation is flipped around, that's okay, you just are going to solve like normal. So I'm going to look at my like terms, look at my variables there. I'm going to combine my 6 and my negative 7 first. Well, 6 plus a negative 7 is negative 1. And I'm going to bring everything else down. I'm again going to look, what do I need to get to the other side? So I'm going to add 1 to get 11 equals 9x. Then I'm going to divide to get x. So x is going to equal 11 over 9. Or you can put x equals 11 over 9. Either way, it's going to get you the same thing. Do not switch it to a mixed number or a decimal. We are working with improper fractions in algebra. Problem number 3. First thing we're going to do is we are going to distribute because I have a parentheses. So I'm only distributing inside my parentheses. I'm not taking this 1/2. I'm not taking this assignment that I give you and passing it out to the kids in the hallway. I'm only giving it to the people enclosed in the classroom, like enclosed in parentheses. Well, 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1/2 times negative 4 is negative 2x. Minus 2x equals 13. I'm going to look at my like terms. And I'm going to combine them. So my 1's brought down, my 13's brought down. I've got negative 2x minus 2x would give me negative 4x. Then I'm going to look here. I'm going to subtract 1 to get negative 4x equals 12. Divide by negative 4. Now make sure you bring that negative from up here down here because it does make a difference. I'm going to divide and I get x equals negative 3. Problem number 4. I know you've got parentheses on both sides. It's okay. So I'm going to distribute my positive 2. Make sure to take that sign. And my positive 2 here. If you would like to do it separately, then you're more than welcome to. Then I've got 3x plus 2x plus 2 equals 2x minus 22. I'm going to look at my like terms here and here. And I'm going to start combining them. Well, 3x plus 2x is 5x. Plus 2 equals 2x minus 22. Looking at my like terms again. And so I always like to move my x first, and you'll notice it down here more. So I'm going to subtract 2x. So I've got 3x plus 2 equals negative 22. And then I'm going to subtract 2. Now remember, when we are subtracting from a negative number, we're really adding and then keeping the sign. So I've got negative 24. I'm going to divide by 3, and I'm going to get x is equal to negative 8. Now, when we talk about specials, okay, so if a statement is true, it's all real numbers, okay? we'll talk about it more, but if it's a true statement, it's all real numbers. If it's a false statement, nothing can work, it's no solution. I like to use ARN or an S just as an abbreviation. So when I'm looking at problem number 5, I'm going to solve like normal. So I'm going to distribute. So I've got 3x plus 8 equals 3x minus 1. So I'm looking at my like terms. And I'm going to move my x to the other side to get 8 equals negative 1. This is a false statement. That means the answer is no solution. Okay? 8 can never equal negative 1. Never, ever, ever. So whatever number we plug in here, it will never be correct. When I look at number 6, I need to distribute both of them. So I get x plus 6 minus 4x equals negative 3x plus 6. I'm going to look at my like terms. And I'm going to combine my like terms to negative 3x plus 6 equals negative 3x plus 6. If you notice, they're the same right here. But if you don't notice, you can keep going, because what will end up happening is when I move my x from my right side to my left side, they're going to cancel out, and I'm going to get 6 equals 6. This is a true statement. So this is all real numbers. If you have any questions, you can always contact me.